All right, page 23, remote learning remote learning math packet. Number 1, students measure objects and displayed their data on the line plot below. If you put all these objects together end to end, what would be the total length of the objects? Wowzers. Okay, so we have two objects that are 1/6 of an inch. All right, so 1/6 plus 1/6 would be 2/6, plus we have one object that is 2/6 of an inch, plus two objects that are 3/6, so 3/6 plus 3/6 would be 6/6. All right, and here we have three objects that are 4/6 of an inch. I'm just going to do 4/6 plus 4/6 plus 4/6. All right, and one object that is 5/6 of an inch. So I know that 6 is going to be my denominator. That was super easy to add up. But I got 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 6 is 10, plus 4 more, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, plus 5. 22 plus 5 would be 27. All right, so it would be 27/6 inches, but that's weird to say. So we are going to do 27. That'll be 4. 24. Subtract. We get 3. 3/6. 3/6 is 1/2, so that would equal 4.5 inches. 4.5 inches if we put all those together. Number 2, some students in Mrs. Ashley's class had a jumping contest to see who could jump the furthest. What is the difference between the longest and shortest jump? All right, so let's look at that. Number 2, well, the longest jump was 3.25 inches. All right, there was one person that did that, and the shortest jump was 2 inches, so minus 2. All right, so 1/4 minus nothing, starting lowest place value, remains 1/4. 3 minus 2 is 1. So it would be 1 1/4 feet. All right, because there's my units. Number 3, how many miles did Max ride his bicycle on day 5? Now here, each X represents 3 miles. So on day 5, he did 3 miles, 3 miles, 3 miles. So he did 3 miles for each one of those X's. So 3 times 3 would be 9. So he did 9 miles. Number 4, 9 friends measured their pinky size to the nearest 1/4 inch. What is the combined length of the longest and shortest finger? Okay, so here's my shortest, 2 1/4. Here's my longest, 3 2/4. So for number 4, yep, I'm going to add those together. So I have 3 2/4 plus 2 1/4. I start my smallest place value, it's for a fraction. My denominator stays a 4. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. So it'd be 5 3/4 inches. All right, number 5. Mr. Farley recorded his students' test scores on a science test on a separate piece of paper. Create a line plot to display the data below. So number of students, all right, and they got the score. All right, so score is going to be here. And this is for number 5. All right, so I want them up, they're already in order for us. Thank you very much. So we have 76, 82. If they were not in order, we were going to put them in order. 82, 88, 94, and some smarticles with hundreds. All right, so 76. All right, 2 people got that. So I just go boom, boom. All right. 82, 3 people. Boom, boom, boom. 88, 4 people. Boom, boom, boom. 94, 5 people. And then 100 was 3 people. When you do this, you want to make sure like they're kind of lined up going across. So then clearly 94 was the most popular score because it's when it goes up the highest. All right, and then number 6. All right, the table below shows the number of computers or laptops owned by 10 different families. On a separate piece of paper, create a line plot displaying the data. So we have our line going across. All right, and this is number of laptops or computers. Okay, so it looks like 1 is my smallest number and 5 is my biggest. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so 3. Boom. And I'm just going to put a little X there. All right, 2, 4, 1, 5, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 3 again. All right. So 3 was the most popular number of laptops or computers. And there you have it.